Food and life's such a beautiful thing. Don't you think? If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Also, click on the bell. Come on, be a part of the notification. Turkey, Lebanon, where you guys at? This day is your day. Big shout out to Turquaz Kebab's house, Turkish and Lebanese cuisine. Address, phone number right there, guys. Drop my name when you guys check in. Here we go, big feast today. I have this all laid out. Look at their little brochure, guys. It's legit. It's legit. It's so easy to look at and easy to pick at. So this is what I got today. So first box. Oh man, it's the chicken thighs. Legit, it's really called the chicken thighs. So the chicken thighs, bigger close up to this, guys. Oh man, you got the fries, you got the hummus. Tabbouleh salad? No, it's not tabbouleh salad. I'm just gonna say Mediterranean salad, the chicken thighs, and the rice at the bottom. I'm drooling. Next on the list. Oh man, what is this? It's called pompano fish. Never had pompano fish. I think this is a milkfish. I think Filipinos call this milkfish. Quote me if I'm wrong, guys, but it's nice, grilled. All we need is fish sauce, guys. I wish I had some fish sauce ready in my car, guys. Oh man. Next on the menu, they're beautiful chicken wings, guys. So same sides, guys. The smell in my car, guys. I wish you guys can smell this right now. Oh man. Next on the list, guys. Yes, it's a very big menu today. I've been craving a lot of Turkish food. Oh, so this is their lamb. Same sides and everything. The smell in my car, guys. I wish you guys can smell my car right now. So thank you, Sam, for taking my order and just explaining everything into detail. So thank you, my brother. Also, he also hooked me up with this, guys. Baklava, homemade or not homemade. Yeah, I want to say homemade. Fresh made in stores, guys. We've got some pita, and I think this is just yogurt. Quote me if I'm wrong, though. Let's get into this. All right, here we go. First box I want to try, guys, are these beautiful wings here. So they're nice, seasoned. Oh. This one's dunked into hummus there, guys. Take the first bite of this, quick time. The beautiful Turkish, I want to say Turkish Lebanese wings. Quick time. Let's got it. Nice. Pump for this. Oh man. Guys. Guys. Guys, Turquaz don't play around when it comes down to their food. Oh man, look at this, guys! A bite of their salad, quick time. Nice. That right there, guys. That's some really good food right there. I'm so glad they dunked it into their hummus there. Guys, another bite of these wings. Let's go. Nice. Pump for this. All right. A couple of days ago, guys, I said Nando's had some really good wings. Come to Turquaz and try their wings. It doesn't compare to Nando's at all. Turquaz wings is on a whole new level of flavor. Oh man. I love cuisines or dishes with balance. Alright, another bite of these wings, quick tap. I got nice pump for this. Just wow. I love that. I love that a lot. That is awesome. Next box, the chicken thighs. Wait. I had chicken already. Let's change the palette up with this. The lamb chops. Guys, here it is. A lot of you guys be like, Quan, you eat so much chicken. Why don't you just change it up a bit? Here it is, guys. The lamb. Quick time. Let's got it. Nice. Pump for this. Chase it down with the rice. Nice. This is what I like. The lamb is not even gamey, guys. That just tells me this restaurant knows how to handle lamb or prepare lamb. Another bite of this. Quick time. Nice. Super pumped for this. Alright. I know I said I wanted a Indian wife. I'm still up for it. But maybe I want a Turkish or Lebanese wife now. I don't know. The food is absolutely amazing, guys. If Turkish people and Lebanese people eat this every morning or every day, you guys are one lucky person. I like this. I could eat and spill, and this thing will catch it. Oh man. That's legit. Alright guys, hopefully everybody's good after Halloween. Tomorrow, guys, Friendship Friday starts again. So we're gonna do a little Korean barbecue tomorrow. That's amazing. Alright, here it is. I don't want to see a comment saying, Quang, you gotta come down to Turkey, or you gotta come down to Lebanon to have the real deal. I don't know why people say that. I want to say Canada is very diverse. We have a lot, I want to say a lot of cultures here. That's why when people are like, Quang, what do Canadians eat? I actually don't know. We're so diverse that Canada itself don't really have like a meal like this. Like, for instance, like a meal like this, you know? It's just like knickknacks around, just like coffee crisp, ketchup chips. Like, it's not a complete full meal. Maybe in separate provinces, I wouldn't say separate provinces do have meals, but Canada as a whole, I don't think Canada has like a meal like this, you know what I'm saying? Next box, the chicken thighs. So, look at these beautiful chicken thighs. There's this white thing here, I'm not even sure what it is. But guys, a bite of this, quick time. He's got it, nice, pump for this. Oh man, that's good. I don't even know why I did not put it on when I was eating it. Goofed it there, guys. It's like a garlic sauce. Man, I goofed it so bad, guys. A bite of this with the garlic sauce on it. Quick tap. Just got it. Nice. Pump for this. Insane. Wow. Just wow. Like, what are you guys doing? You guys need to try Turkish and Lebanese food. I ain't kidding. Just a perfect amount of everything. Holy. The char on this too, guys. They have a perfect amount of char on this. Guys, quick time. Let's go. Nice. I wonder what wood they use. Alright. Any Turkish, Lebanese wife out there? Should I say wife? Woman out there? Shouldn't say wife out there. Woman out there. Wants to get married? Shoot me a DM. Wow. This sauce is amazing. I thought it was yogurt. Oh, another one. Quick time. Let's go. Nice. Oh man. Alright, that's 3 out of 3 already. 10 out of 10, 3 out of 3. Let's try the fish. I'm not sure if they marinate it in anything, because it does kind of look plain. Maybe I should go to the store and get some fish sauce for it. Oh man. Oh man. Three out of three. That's pretty good. Popano. Is it Popano? Popano. So it kind of just looks plain. Maybe it's not. Maybe they marinated in something. Let's do this. Any fish lovers out there? Let's do this, guys. Take the first bite of this. Popano. Mediterranean style. Quick tap. Just got it. Nice. Pump for this. It's plain, but I really enjoy the natural taste and the crunch on the skin here. Definitely need some fish sauce. It's weird, right? Vietnamese people love eating fish and dipping the fish into fish sauce. Crazy, right? But one thing here, even though there's just the natural taste of it, they did a really good job of grilling this. A very good job, actually. They got the crispy skin right. Like when you grill fish, guys, the skin is probably the hardest to keep on when grilling. They did a very perfect job on it. Crispy skin, perfectly cooked meat. As a Vietnamese, guys, I just need some fish sauce on this. Forgot, there's this garlic sauce here. Maybe it's supposed to be on it. Look at that. Let's try this. Oh, guys, a bite of this. Quick tap. He's got it. Nice. Pump for this. That's beautiful. I think it was for it. My hat's off to the chef out there, or the chef there, who grilled this just perfectly. He or she needs a raise. You hear that, Sam? I know you're watching this, Sam. He or she needs a raise. They did it perfect. It's very tricky to grill good fish like this, or a whole fish like this. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed by that. Like, I never used to like eating a fish skin. But this, they grilled this fish skin really nice. Nice and charry. Main event, guys. Who cares about everything else? This is the main event right here. So, this right here, guys, is baklava. So, it's, I want to say, is it Turkish? Is it Turkish or Lebanese? Because we have a lot of Lebanese store here that sells baklava. But guys, here, quick tap. Take the first bite of this. Best baklava ever. I don't know, maybe. I'm just saying it, but it's made in-house. Quick tap. It's got it. Nice. Pump for this. Look at that syrup back. Oh man. Oh man. My ears just tingled a bit. After biting this, or in between biting this, my ears just tingled. Listen again. Oh man. They have some sort of milky thing in the middle. You could taste every layer. Biting into this, you can taste every little layer in this. Okay. I would say that's a perfect baklava. I would say that's the best baklava I ever eaten in my life. Some baklava I eat, it's very sweet. I want to say it's kind of over sweet for me. But this, it's light. Another bite of this, quick time. It's got it, nice. It's light, it's crispy throughout, guys. The baklava I used to eat, the bottom is usually syrupy, not syrupy, dense and syrupy. But this, crispy throughout. Oh man. Alright. I'm looking for a Turkish or a Lebanese wife. Oh man. Big shout out to Turkey, big shout out to Lebanon, big shout out to Turquaz restaurant, big shout out to Sammy. Guys, this place here is legit. If you guys want any good Turkish food, good Lebanese food, this spot right here, guys. Legit. My ratings for this place, 12 out of 10. If you guys get a chance to meet Sammy, awesome dude, guys. Food amazing, prices are fair, atmosphere is amazing. The restaurant is beautiful, guys. That's it, guys. Tomorrow will be another feast, guys. Guys, I'm just taking a break because last night was a little tiring, so hopefully you guys understand. But hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick up on your bomb shirts or Food Life is a Beautiful Thing shirt. Like this, share this. Peace out.